Ikaw, sumali ka na ng mga pageant.
Madaming beses.
Ano yung napanalunan mo talaga?
Lagi akong nananalo. Lagi akong nananalo kasi best in QA ako.
Ay, oo, syempre.
Alam mo kasi hindi naman pagandahan din lagi na papatamaan ng sagot. Kailangan makumbinsi mo yung mga hurado na marunong siyang sumagot at kaya niyang dalin yung sagot niya. Oo, kailangan witty to. Hindi man tama o pabor yung judges sa sinasabi mo. Masabi na, witty to. Hindi kami pareho ng opinion, pero witty siya. Ganun.
Napahanga sa sagot.
Kailangan witty.
Napa-agree.
So, kunyari, may mga tanong kami, kaya mong sagutin.
Oo, kahit mahirap yung sagot, kahit di mo alam, dapat alam mo kung paano sagutin. Masasabi, hindi nga alam yung sagot, pero ang witty.
Galing.
Witty.
Parang gano'n, napahanga.
Oh.
O, kunyari, may
Ganun pala yun.
question.
Dali.
Okay. Candidate number 1, can you please step forward? Okay, here's your question.
Where is my question?
Yes! Are you ready for the question?
Always ready. Are you ready for the question?
Yes, I'm ready. Okay.
You're ready for the question? Where is the question?
Okay.
Don't okay me. Where is the question?
I will...
Where is the question? You're
This is-
not ready.
Okay, this is the question.
Ladies and gentlemen, I therefore conclude that the host is not ready for the question.
Ganyan yung kandidato.
This is the question.
Where is the question?
Listen carefully.
Give
Nakaisuot
it away.
mo na where.
What is the essence of being a woman nowadays in our society?
Ay,
Diba?
first time tinanong yun sa pageant, ha?
Diba? Pwedeng alam mo yung sagot. Kung alam mo yung sagot, chuchok-chakin.
Yes, diretso
Yeah.
agad.
Pag alam mo ang sagot, ganito. Well, I believe, ladies and gentlemen, ayun.
Jumeni man.
Chumeni.
Panjumenemen.
Ano yun?
Barangay Chumeni yun eh. Barangay
okay.
Chumeni. Katabi ng
sinabi.
Barangay Tumana, Barangay Chumeni.
Sabihin mo yung barangay.
Chumeni men. Yes.
Paano ulit?
College mo yung barangay.
Ladies and Chumeni men.
Ayan, Chumeni men.
Oh.
Jumeni man.
I believe that the essence of being a woman nowadays is to be able to know your worth as a woman, to use your voice, not just for yourself, not just for the women, but for the men as well. Because serving yourself, serving your co-women organization, serving other women and the men as well, is likewise serving the entire community. And using your voice and your education for the betterment of the society is the best gift that you can ever give to the society. Why? Because I believe that education is the strongest foundation of each and every powerful nation. Because through education, we receive light. Without
ng
light, we
sagot.
receive hope.
Ala.
With that hope, we pursue our dreams.
Nagtula
And with those
na
dreams,
pala.
foresee a brighter tomorrow. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1.
Paano yung announcement? Ikaw ba nanalo dun? Ha? Ikaw nanalo na?
Ay, walang announcement. Uuwi lahat.
Kasi sa sagot mo.
Kahit
Tapos
ako,
na?
kasi kahit ikaw yung kalaban ko, mahihiya ka.
Tapos na laban.
Uuwi ka.
Yun ay pag alam mo yung tanong.
Yes.
Eh, paano pag hindi mo alam yung tanong?
Kailangan witty ka pa din.
Sige.
O, kunyari, yun
Meron
ulit
bang
ang
tanong? Ay,
What is the essence of being a woman nowadays in our society?
Would you like to repeat the question, please?
What is the
papaulit.
essence of being a woman in our society nowadays?
Thank you so much for that wonderful question.
Oh,
Okay.
nagpasalamat.
And that wonderful question deserves a wonderful answer.
Nag-isip pa.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that different people have different points of views, concepts, and ideas regarding different matters. And as one, I have my own. What is the question again?
Intro pa lang yun!
Yes.
What is the essence of being a woman in our society nowadays?
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to make a very special announcement. The moment I stepped here on stage and I decided to join this competition, I decided to be the first runner-up, so I won't answer the question.
Tinanggap niya na.
Ang galing!
Na first runner-up ka na.
May ibang ways. Pwede mo rin
Meron pa.
sabihin, what is the question?
And what is the essence of being a woman in our society?
Well, ever since I was a child, my mama told me, never, ever to talk to strangers. So I won't talk to you. I won't answer the question. Thank you.
Piloso po.
Galing!
Galing, no? Ang daming ways para sumagot. Ang daming natutunan ng mga
Yes,
miss-miss
tama.
natin dito.
Ganon, dapat witty. Huwag kayong
Yes.
tatanga-tanga.
Pag ganun, excuse me, pag ganun, may panalo pa rin yun.
Yes.
Oo.
Yun, pang ilan yun?
Yes.
Pang ilan?
Ano, no?
Pang-ilan?
yan?
Pero kanina nag-concede first runner.
Oo, first round. Itong huling
Yung
sagot.
pangatlo.
Yung pangalo, mga second yun.
Second round.
May-
Given tatlo lang kayo.
May place.
Given
Tatlo lang kasi sumali.
Yes. Oo.
Oh.
Diba?
Ang galing, dapat confident
It's
lang
so-
ako.
It's all about confidence.
Yes.
So may natutunan ka, Ari.
Siyempre, yung mga gantong bagay, siyempre, tinitake natin to as opportunity for learning, for improvement.
Yes.
Gagamitin mo ba yun yung ginawa ni Vice?
Kasi may question
Oo
mamaya.
naman, may ma-apply naman ako for sure sa mga susunod kong pageant, national pageant.
Ano yung mga nakuha mo doon?
Nakuha mo
Confidence, grabe ang confidence. Confidence, syempre, kapag sumagot ka, kung may point ka naman, tas wala kang confidence, hindi yun makukuha ng audience mo, hindi nila ma-absorb yun. Pero confidence and conviction can put you to places.
But